Hey guys, Shabazz here from Adams8908. In today's video, I'm gonna be answering one of the very commonly asked questions. In fact, a lot of my friends have been asking me the same question and I've been answering this question since a while. So I thought of making a quick video wherein I will guide you guys how to make a YouTube channel and earn money using that YouTube channel. So in simple words, how to earn money by making videos on YouTube. Points and things which I have shared with you guys, all these are my thoughts, all these are my opinions, and all these are my understanding about how it works. Again, I might not be 100% correct. Most of the things there is something which I have experienced and which I have taken out from my experience. So without wasting any further ado, let's get started with the video. So guys, the first step is to start a new YouTube channel. You're gonna have to sign up a new Google account. Once you have signed up a new Google account for yourself, you're gonna have to go to YouTube and sign in using that same Google account. So once you try signing into YouTube, it will ask you to give a channel name. You're gonna have to give a channel name to your YouTube channel. So you're gonna have to make a proper selection for yourself. Select a proper genre or else genre for yourself. Make sure the genre you are selecting, make sure the selection which you are selecting for yourself is relevant. Videos which you will be uploading in future belongs to a same genre or else the same selection. So there are different criteria you can select for a YouTube channel. You can select tech, you can select vlogs, you can select anything for your YouTube channel, but make sure you stick to that particular genre. Once you have selected a proper genre for yourself, it's time for you to start uploading videos. So guys, I'm gonna emphasize on the point that it will take time. It took me around 4 years to grow on YouTube. Don't get demotivated if you are not getting proper views. Keep uploading videos, you will get views and subscribers. It's all about time. Start uploading videos. It's not compulsory or it's not mandatory for you to have a DSLR camera or a high-end camera to upload videos on YouTube or to make videos on YouTube. You can start by using your mobile device. Nowadays, these mobile devices have got amazing cameras. Use your mobile device, give it a start uploading videos. The total strength of your YouTube channel depends upon only one thing, and that is the consistency. How consistent are you to upload videos? So the very first and the major misunderstanding is that I'm gonna make videos. There are lots of people out there who are making videos on the same concept. Why should I make video on the same concept? Even though the concept remains the same, it's the style how you are presenting things in front of the viewers. Make sure the content which you are creating is different from others. Even though it's not different, the way how you present that content is important. So make sure you work on presentation and produce good content for your audience. So once you start uploading videos, once your channel starts growing, once you reach 100 subscribers, and if you are getting good amount of views, you're gonna have to ask YouTube to enable monetization on your channel. You're gonna have to sign up for an AdSense account. Once you have signed up for AdSense account, YouTube will monitor your channel and it will enable monetization on your YouTube channel. So once YouTube enables monetization on your YouTube channel, you can enable monetization for specific videos you want. So guys, in order to get approval for monetization, you're gonna have to make sure there are a few things which are in place. The very important thing is that your channel has got your own content. You're not copying anything from the others. The thing which you are uploading on your YouTube channel is something which only you have produced. No one else has produced the same content. Even though if you're producing the similar content, but it should be something which is produced by you and which is not produced by anyone else. There is a strict guidelines on YouTube which you have to follow in order to get monetization for your YouTube channel. The second important thing is that your YouTube channel strength is somewhere around 100 to 200 subscribers. Guys, again, I'm not sure about this, but it's advisable to have good amount of subscribers on your YouTube channel and a sufficient number of views, at least a 10,000 views. The overall strength of your YouTube channel should be 10,000. This is something which I advise. I'm not sure about the exact count. So once you suffice all these requirements, you guys are good to go. So I'll tell you guys about how it worked for me. When I signed up with AdSense, it asked me to enter my address, my residential address. So Google then sent me a letter. So it came to my residential address. When you go to your Google account, it asks you to verify your residential address. So once you click on that verify button, it will ask you for a code. That code will be there in the letter which Google sent you at your residential address. So once you open that letter, there was this code which I verified in Google AdSense account, by the help of which my residential address got verified. The very first time I got paid by check, the check came to my residential address. And there are certain criteria which you have to fulfill in order to get paid. For the first time, you have to earn $200 for the very first time to get paid by Google. After the first payment, it goes down, and then you have to make $100. It's a threshold which you have to fulfill. So the first threshold is of $200. You have to complete $200 in order to get paid for the first time from Google. After the first payment, the threshold goes down to $100, which you have to complete in order to get paid from Google. You're gonna have to go to your AdSense account and you have to add your bank account, by the help of which Google will transfer payment to your account. I'm not sure about the exact figure. For 1070 or 1080 views, you get paid 60 cents. So you actually get paid $1 for 1070 views. Again, it's just what I think, because this is something which I have monitored from my YouTube channel. Again, all these is not the exact figure. Please do not think that this is the exact figure. For 1070 views, you get paid $1. From that $1, you get paid 60 cents, and the other part stay with Google. Again, it's not mandatory that all of your videos gets ad. Some of your videos gets ad, some of your videos do not get ad. So it's not 100% guaranteed that all of your video will include ad before it. Please do not think that all of your video gets ad along with it. So there are few misconceptions that your subscribers count also increases your revenue. It increases your revenue, but till certain extent. But guys, according to my understanding, according to what I have understood by my YouTube channel, it totally depends upon your view counts, the number of views which you are getting on your videos. It also depends upon the geographical condition. So if your videos are being watched more in United States, UK, Russia, Canada, you will get paid more. The language which you are using in your video. So if you are using a non-English language, there are possibilities that you guys won't get paid that much, but definitely you will get paid. But the amount will be not that much if you compare yourself to a person who is making videos in English. So English is a global language. You're gonna have to make sure you make videos in English. If you want your YouTube channel to grow faster, make sure you are using English as a primary language. Even though if you are using a non-English language, that's totally fine. There is no harm. As per my understanding, English is something which do works on a YouTube channel. These all are the things which will help you to start a new YouTube channel. There is only one advice which I will give you guys. Please do not wait for anything. Please do not wait for gadgets. If you want to make things happen, you have to give it a start. Start making videos. So if you guys are thinking about getting a new DSLR camera for yourself, only then you'll start uploading videos. This is just a misconception, guys. There are lots of YouTubers out there who are doing really great, who have done tremendous job. If I take Marcus Brownlee as an example, he's a tech YouTuber, awesome YouTuber, makes high quality contents on his channel. So this guy Marcus Brownlee, using a webcam off his laptop, he started his channel. So if you're new to YouTube, please make sure that you at least upload one video a week. Thanks a lot for joining me in this video again. If you guys have any questions to ask, you guys can ask your questions by writing comments in the comments box down there. Again, thanks a lot guys for watching this video. I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Peace.